Okay. Roland, HEITEC took over some business from Rittal Electronics. Can you explain which part and what does it mean for your company now?
Okay. We took over the electronics packaging business product line completely now as of January 1st this year. Previously, for the last 3 years, we were already cooperating quite closely with Rittal, focusing more on the customer-specific solutions for packaging, electronics, industrial housing, chassis. And now, January 1st, we took over the complete standard product portfolio as well, which means we have on the one hand a catalog with more than 2,000 standard products for from a component level to a system platform level for standard architectures such as compact PCI, micro TCA, VME, and family members in the architecture, as well as customer-specific architectures as well. So a set of building blocks for building industrial chassis.
Okay.
And this line we took over.
It's focused on the chassis.
It's focused on the chassis, yeah. Sub-racks, chassis, system chassis, 19-inch as well as desktop, benchtop type enclosures. And this transition took place over basically the New Year's holidays. We transferred all the warehouse and as of January 4th, we are shipping and delivering these products in addition to the other service we've been offering over the last years already.
You mentioned the other services. How does this new business fit in the normal business of HEITEC?
Okay, well, HEITEC electronics, I should say, the electronics business, we are focused on three main activities. One is electronics design services. So we design products for our customers, which is quite important to us. We don't compete with our customers by designing electronics products and marketing them. Our service is to design for the customer who then markets the product. There we offer a service from chip design, FPGA design, ASIC design, board layout, to software, firmware, drivers, whatever is needed to build a complete board level solution as well as a system solution. So that's number one, the electronics design services we offer. Number two is electronics manufacturing services. So the products we design for our customers or products that the customer designed himself, we can manufacture for them. We don't see ourselves as one of these large EMS companies building 10,000s of systems a year. We tend to say that our sweet spot is between one prototype unit up to a few thousand units a year. That's where we feel comfortable, where our supply chain works and our manufacturing capacity fits the model.
And can you give us an example of a project you realized in the last half a year or so for a system design you made?
One of these projects. Well, probably a nice one is what a topic we actually used at the Embedded World show as theme. We designed for a professional camera vendor, a company called ARRI, Arnold and Richter. They are in the business of high-end cameras for Hollywood type movies. We designed for them interface board which enables the large camera to be split in two parts, so that there's a smaller front end which actually carries kind of the lenses and is the one you take the shots with, and the back end where the processing takes place. And between the two there's a high-speed data link, optical 20 gigabit link. And the hardware for this, the board level hardware, we designed completely based on high-end FPGA technology. And we also manufactured these boards, and they go into the camera, which actually was used to take movies such as the Skyfall movie, this James Bond movie that's currently in the cinemas.
Okay.
So that's one project that shows where we help a customer again to design high-end electronics for them, but the product is an ARRI product, it's not a HEITEC product.
So are there more examples in this direction?
Well, I guess there's examples that show the combination of the two topics we talked about. On the one hand, the design and manufacturing services more on the board level side, and the system packaging, the electronics packaging business we have, where we designed for a customer a complete system solution that embodied on the one hand the electronics board design, the mechanical system design, and the integration of the total solution. In this particular case, it's a project that goes into the energy management application. And here it was quite nice because on the one hand, the electronics design expertise could be complemented by our standard building blocks to build systems. Out of the standard product portfolio, we could pick a lot of elements to quickly come to a solution for the customer. And that's actually, I guess, a benefit for the customer. They get a project result quicker and at lower cost than having basically to start from scratch with an empty sheet of paper.
Okay, thank you very much, Roland.
All right, thank you.